I shipped a new feature just now that I think makes this a lot easier to use. As you zoom in, now you can see the actual road width that will be in the rendered file, right? So if you just go up and down, secondary is up and down, you can actually see how thick this will be, right? When laser cut in, you may want to do this, right? So it renders. If you're doing really small roads, it might be too thin for the laser. So this lets you adjust that on the fly. And then if you want to hide road types entirely, you can do this on the fly as well and turn them on and off, as well as with build-ins and parks and everything else, all before you actually end up burning a credit to generate a model. So really makes dialing in what you're looking for a lot more of an iterative process, and really kind of lets you get a more authentic preview of what you're going to see. Check it out. It's live in Laser Map Studio today.